Welcome to our video comparing two of the most talked about processors on the market. The Intel Core i9-12900KF and the AMD Ryzen 5 7600X. In this video, we'll dive deep into their specifications, performance metrics, and overall value to help you decide which one is the right fit for your needs. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or just looking for a reliable CPU for everyday tasks, we've got you covered. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, the Intel Core i9-12900KF boasts an impressive 16 cores, combining both performance and efficient cores, allowing it to handle demanding tasks and gaming with ease. It can reach clock speeds of up to 5.2 GHz, making it one of the fastest processors available. On the other hand, the AMD Ryzen 5 7600X, while not as powerful, offers a solid 6-core setup with a maximum clock speed of 4.7 GHz. This makes it a great option for gamers looking for high performance without breaking the bank. However, for those who need the absolute best performance, the i9-12900KF takes the lead. Price is a significant factor when choosing a CPU. The Intel Core i9-12900KF comes with a hefty price tag of $676, which reflects its high-end performance capabilities. In contrast, the AMD Ryzen 5 7600X is priced at a much more affordable $299, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. While the i9-12900KF offers superior performance, the Ryzen 5 7600X provides excellent value for those who want good performance without the premium price. Power consumption is another critical aspect to consider. The Intel Core i9-12900KF has a thermal design power (TDP) of 125 watts, which means it requires more power and potentially more robust cooling solutions. In comparison, the AMD Ryzen 5 7600X has a lower TDP of 105 watts, making it more energy efficient and easier to cool. This difference could be significant for users looking to build a quieter or more power-efficient system. In conclusion, both the Intel Core i9-12900KF and the AMD Ryzen 5 7600X have their strengths and weaknesses. The i9-12900KF is the powerhouse for those who need top-tier performance, while the Ryzen 5 7600X offers great value for gamers and general users. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and tech reviews.